Hi guys, in today's video I will show you that how you can fix the Red Dead Redemption 2 not launching problem in your Steam. So I will show you guys the best effective solution to fix this error, so make sure you watch this entire video. First you can go to your Steam library and click on the Red Dead Redemption 2 game. Click on this gear icon, go to its properties, and here in the launch option just type the minus and then ignore pipeline cache. After you type it, just restart the Steam and restart the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is not fixed, go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. By clicking on this, it will start repairing your corrupted files or any missing files, and this will fix your problem. And if your problem still does not fix, then you can go with the next solution. Click on the browse option, and here you need to just select your game, and then you can right click on the app, click on its properties, go to its compatibility and check this box of run the program as an administrator. So it will assist you to modify and access all of the files of your game, and sometimes this will fix your problem. And if this does not work, then you can go to the Windows search, type the system configuration, then you can perform the clean boot on your Windows. So once you open your system configuration, go to the services, and now here you need to just check this box of hide all Microsoft services. After that, these are the useless services. Tick this as, click on the disable all, click on the apply, click on the OK. It will ask you for the restart. We will restart our PC after our complete settings. Go to the Windows search again, type the task manager, and now you can open it. And now you can go to the startups, and here you need to just disable all the application that are useless and that you are not using, because this application will run in your background without your permission when you start your PC. You need to just right click on this application, click on the disable. So after that, if your problem is not fixed, then you can just go with the next solution. Go to your Windows search, type the device manager and open it. And here you need to just look for your graphic card and just update your graphic card, because sometimes your unupdated graphic card will cause the problems. And guys, if this solution is work for you and fix your problem, then make sure you like the video and also subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.